If your computer running slow and you think that you have a virus or maybe a bunch of adware installed on your computer, I'll show you how to remove all that with the free software. First thing we need to do, we need to download Rkill. And every software is free, and I will link in the description below for every piece of software that I'm gonna use for this tutorial. First, software we need to use Rkill. Rkill is gonna terminate all the processes that's stopping your antivirus from functioning properly. So you can download Rkill from Bleeping Computers for free. Just click on one of the links and download it. Once you download it, double click on it and run it. Click yes over here. Once Rkill is done, in this pop-up box you can click OK, and you can read through all the results and see what exactly Rkill did. I'm gonna click close. The next thing you need to do, you need to scan your computer with the Windows Defender. Windows Defender, it's a free built-in into the Windows antivirus program. So to do that, you need to click on Start, go to Settings, and in Settings, click on Update and Security, and then click on Windows Security, and then Virus and Threat Protection. Click on it. And in this pop-up box, click on Quick Scan and just wait until it's gonna scan your computer. Once Windows Defender is done scanning, if it's gonna find something, it's gonna give you an option to quarantine or to delete. In my case, they didn't find anything, so I'm just gonna click close. The next thing we need to do, we need to install Malwarebytes. You can download Malwarebytes on a malware website. It's a free download as well. We're gonna install really quick. Click yes. Personal computer. I'm just gonna leave all the settings as default and I'm gonna click install. Okay, once Malwarebytes is installed, click on Get Started, and I'm gonna use free Malwarebytes, and then I'm gonna click on Open Malwarebytes Free, and right here as well, we need to scan the system. Click on Scan, and it's gonna scan your system for malware. Once Malwarebytes is done scanning your system, it's gonna give you an option to quarantine if it's gonna find something. In my case, it did found 4 malicious softwares. I'm gonna click quarantine. Okay, and then done. Now we can close Malwarebytes. Next thing we need to do, we need to install Super Anti-Spyware. This is also free software. You can download from this website and there's a free edition. I already downloaded it. I'm gonna install really quick. In this pop-up box, you need to click more info and run it anyways. This is just stating that basically it's unrecognized app from Microsoft and basically they never blessed the software. So I'm just gonna click run anyways. Then click yes. And then just go through the setup. And check all the software that it's gonna try to install with the software. I'm not gonna start professional version. It's asking you if you would like to start trial. I'm just gonna click on decline. I'm gonna use a free version. Free is plenty enough. And then scan this computer. And then I'm just gonna do a quick scan for this video tutorial, but you can probably do a complete scan. Same thing, when it's done scanning, click on continue. Make sure this is checked here and then continue one more time. This is just trying to close my browser. I'm gonna click no because I'm gonna show you all the websites where I'm getting the software from. And it removed all the items, all the tracking cookies with the browser open, and then click continue. It's done. You can close the software. So the next one we're gonna download the adware cleaner by Malwarebytes. Same thing right here. You can download it for free and then install it. Click yes. Right here in this pop-up box, agree to terms and conditions, and then scan now. It did found one of the possibly unwanted program. I'm gonna quarantine as well, and then click continue right here. And it's actually did close my web browser, but that's fine. And it's asking me to restart my computer to fully clean. So I'm gonna do this right now really quick. Okay, after the restart, there's a few more programs we're gonna use. One of them is called MUNet. And you can download from this website and then install it. And in this pop-up box, click install. Then click next and click close. Double click on the icon that was created during the install. Okay, right here, you need to click on scan now. It's gonna give you an option. I'm just gonna click on a flash scan because this is gonna be a quick scan, but most likely you'll have to do a full scan. Once scan is complete, click close and you can close the software. And the last program we're gonna do is CCleaner. You can download it from here for free. I'm gonna use free version. I'm gonna install. Right here in this pop-up box, make sure you uncheck install Google Chrome unless if you would like to have a Google Chrome, and then click install. And in this box, click run CCleaner, and I'll uncheck view release notes. So CCleaner, what I'm gonna use for, it's actually, you can use to clean your PC, you can click analyze, but mainly I'm gonna use for registry. I'm gonna check scan for issues and I'm gonna fix all the issues. Once scan is complete, you can click on this button, fix selected issues, and it's gonna ask you if you would like to do a backup. I usually do that just in case if it's gonna break while it's fixing something. I'm gonna save it on the desktop, and then I'm gonna fix all selected issues. That's done. I'm gonna run it one more time because most likely it's gonna find a couple more. And then repeat the steps a few more times until it's gonna fix all the issues. So there's no more issues. And you can also click on easy clean, analyze. It's gonna analyze. I'm gonna click skip all because my browser is open, and it's gonna look for some junk files and tracking files, and then you can also click clean all. Okay, once it's done, your computer should be clean and virus free. And if you think that your computer is running fine now, you can go back and actually uninstall a couple of those softwares. You don't really have to have them all the time. But if you still think that your computer has a virus and it's still infected, what you can do, you can reinstall operating system. This is most likely what you're gonna have to do. That it's gonna delete everything off your hard drive and reinstall everything from scratch, and it's gonna be clean, fresh, virus-free install. And how to do that, I already made a video before, so you can check in the description below for that link, and there's a step-by-step on how to reinstall Windows 10 using your flash drive. And you can just refer to that video and reinstall Windows 10, and that's gonna for sure delete all the malware and all the viruses from your computer. And if you like my video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment below, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.